Welcome to Easy Learning Economics. This is Dr. Caval. Our topic for today is target profit and target output with numerical example that how to achieve a target profit. In order to achieve target profit, we need to produce the target output. The break-even analysis helps us in achieving the target profit and deciding the target quantity. In this lecture, we discuss that what are the assumptions on the basis of which the target profit can be earned or the firm can decide the target output and target profit. What is break-even quantity? What is target quantity? How to verify the target profit? So we will discuss these things in this lecture. That the profit analysis is based on the following assumptions. Price and average variable cost are held constant. Firms produces a single product or constant mix of product. So what is break-even quantity? Break-even quantity, as we learned in the previous video, is the point at which the total revenue and total cost are equal. The total revenue is equal to the price into quantity, and whereas the total cost can be broken down into total fixed cost plus average variable cost multiplied by the total quantity. So break-even quantity formula, as we derived in the previous video, that the total fixed cost divided by the price minus average variable cost. Break-even analysis can be used to determine the target output at which the target profit can be achieved. So target quantity formula is the total fixed cost plus the pi t. Pi t means the targeted profit divided by price minus average variable cost. So what is target quantity? As we derived this formula, total fixed cost plus target profit divided by the price minus average variable cost. We are taking an example to find the target quantity. Suppose if firm incurs total fixed cost $200 and firm's average variable cost is $5 and decides to charge the price $10, and also firm wishes to earn the target profit of $100. So how much quantity firm needs to produce in order to earn the target profit? First we are to find the target quantity using the derived formula. So the total fixed cost is $200 and the targeted profit is $100, whereas the price is $10 and average variable cost is $5. By solving it, we get the target quantity 60 units. In order to earn the target profit of $100, the firm needs to produce the target quantity 60 units. Now we shall verify whether this quantity assures the firm the target profit or not. So how to verify? As we know that the total revenue is equal to price into quantity. So the price is $10, target quantity the firm is selling is 60. So total revenue the firm would earn $600. So what would be the total cost? As we know that the total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus average variable cost into quantity. By putting those values in this formula, so the total fixed cost of the firm is $200 plus the average variable cost is $5 and the targeted quantity which we found is 60. So by solving it, we get that the total cost is 500. So by the profit formula, the total profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. So the total revenue of the firm is 600, whereas the total cost of the firm is 500 and the targeted profit is achieved. So we are happy with it. We have achieved our targeted income. So it is all about to learn that how to achieve the target income. Target quantity needs to be produced in order to achieve the target profit. So it will be helpful for every firms to achieve its target profit and target quantity. So please let me know your feedback or any future requests in comment box. In the last but not least, if you like this video, please click the subscribe button so that you may get notification about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.